na siya sa autograph signing. Let's take a look kung alike nga ang ating contestant number 3.
Welcome back.
Welcome back!
Naninibago ka.
Welcome back, no?
What's up, Banda People? Icha Man, Ivan Charles Murphy, ang Chris Brown ng Sampaloc, Manila. But before we start the party, man, one thing to remember, live your life to the fullest, but also love everyone's around you, just like I love you guys. No one else. Yo, drop it! Yeah! Making me when only you are. And baby, God can never make the who are. Na na na. Standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. Hoping that you think about living with me tonight. Come on! Tell me if you're ready, baby, come and give it a try. And let's spark a new flame, baby.
Palakpakan natin, contestant number 3, Ivan Charles Murphy, ang Chris Brown.
Yo, what's up,
Ng
man?
Hey, what's up, Chris Brown?
Welcome to
What's up?
Bro!
Welcome to Showtime, bro.
Yes, nice to be back, Philippines.
Yeah.
Can I ask, when was the last time you were in the Philippines?
I think last 2015, I held a concert here. A little bit struggle, but it's all good, man.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah.
So
I
good,
miss this
man.
vibe.
Chris,
Yeah.
Chris Brown. Chris, you have a dirt. You have dirt here.
No, bigote yan, kuya.
No, that's it.
No,
sorry,
after this Showtime, Rocksteady have a concert later, right?
No, that's not the drama.
Jeff
Paculio?
Hindi yan yung drummer namin.
Oh, so I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
Chris Brown.
Chris Brown, are you feeling jet lag, Chris Brown?
Yeah.
From LA to Manila?
Yeah, a little bit jet lag, but still good, man.
Still
Chris
good, man.
Brown, is the mic smelly? Because you put like this.
No, just as a style, man.
What?
You can shit. That's a style, man. Yeah, Chris Brown, can you teach us your dance a while ago? You look like that.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, hey.
hey.
That again?
Hey, hey.
Oh, wow. How about that? Yeah, I like that.
I like your song. I like that song.
That's why.
Tatlong bibe.
What?
Oh, I heard. Merong tatlong bibe.
No, that's
Merong tatlong bibe.
Galing ah!
Narinig mo pa yung tatlong bibig.
Yeah. Chris Brown, do you know the Filipino delicacy tok neneng?
Why?
Not familiar, but
No, how about the one day old? The one day old is very nice also.
Hindi siya yun, si Chris Brown.
Why
Hindi siya tok neneng.
Akala ko kanina si Iggy Boy Flores.
Oo, akala ko nga paglikod si Asi Taulaba, magbabasketball.
Hindi, Chris Brown siya.
Chris Brown. Who told you you look like Chris Brown, yo?
Why? Ba't tinatanong yun?
I'm just curious. Who
Parang
told
may
you?
galit si ate.
actually, my friends told me, my other group mates, when I was a dancer before.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of Street Boys, man.
Oh, yeah! Thank you, Chris Brown. Thank you.
Grabe.
You know what? You look like Chris Brown, bro. You look like Chris Brown. Chris Brown is in the house. Let's go, all people.
Hey, 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 hey. Oh, hey.
Meron tatlong bibe.
That's my boy right there, Chris Brown. Watch that concert, man.
Uy, parang gusto ni Ate Ange solo niya yung...
Yes.
Ay, hindi.
Sabay-sabay eh.
Kasi parang...
Sabay-sabay eh.
Gusto ni Ate Ange. Na-miss ko to.
actually sound really good.
Yeah.
Pwede bang, I'm so sorry, Tagalog. Sorry. Can you sing in a cappella?
Just a sample.
Yes,
Just a little bit.
Any Chris Brown song.
Any
Any
Chris
song.
Brown
Any,
song.
You can-
any original
How about
song?
Totoy Bibo, you know?
No.
I wanna take you down. I really wanna take you down and show you what I'm about. Can I take it now? Your body, oh, your body up and down.
Hey, Chris Brown, let's go, man!
Someone party. Hey. Wait. I have another request. Can you sing Super Ingo, please? Super Ingo.
Why Super Ingo?
Super Ingo, man.
Superhero! Superhero!
Oh yeah, the theme song, Super Ingo. The superhero.
Yes.
Hindi siya yun. Hindi nga siya yun.
Hey, let's go.
So do you have an upcoming concert?
Yes.
For now, I have an upcoming world tour this 2025. I'm preparing for that. Making new songs on my studio.
Wow.
Are you having a hard time, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, rehearsal,
You know what,
rehearsal.
Kuya Jong, may beke kasi si Chris Brown. Alam mo yung violet na nilalagay dito. Ito yun. Yung side view, Chris Brown.
Tina? Balbas na niya.
Uy, napura! Ba't hinawakan mo napura? Tingnan mo! Tingnan mo!
Touch it! Kulang sa brown. Kulang sa brown.
Tama, may daliri doon.
Chris Brown, please
Yeah.
forgive me.
What?
Big shout-outs to my Kalokalike here in the Philippines. His name is King Merp. I'm rooting on you, brother, for your upcoming album this coming December.
Oh, yeah.
His first solo album from
Oh.
local scene. Yeah.
King Murph!
King Murph.
The son
Siya
of
yun.
Papa's Murph!
Kim Murph?
Your Kalokalike.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
This is you. What's your single? Can you do a sample? Of your Kalokalike.
Go here. Move
No,
forward.
No bad words, okay? We don't want to go to Hong Kong.
Sige ba. Ang tagal ko nang hinihintay yung gabi na to.
Uy, tatagalog
Di man
pa
tayo noon pinagtagpo. Pero andito ka na ngayon sa tabi ko. Saan pa ba paabutin to? Nakakulong na sa isang kwarto. Mga bulong mo sa akin sabi mo. Gusto mo na ngang ibigay ang iyong Yeah.
Wow. Magaling ha. Oh, that's so cool. Chris Brown can sing in Tagalog.
Tagalog, I know, right?
A little bit, bro.
Chris Brown? No, that's not Chris Brown.
That's,
Who's this?
Chris Black. Because you have black hair.
no, that's Chris Yellow.
Yeah.
Do you have any crush, girl crush here in the
Yes.
Philippines?
Crush is sa
Remember,
Paghanga.
crush is paghanga.
Yes.
Yeah, paghanga. The one and only Miss Ann Curtis.
Yeah!
thank you.
Can you teach her
The
your
dance.
You go,
The dance.
baby.
Hey, let's go. Hey.
No, Let's go. You blame me. 5, 6, 7, go.
Meron tatlong bibi. Meron tatlong bibi. Meron tatlong bibi. Meron tatlong bibi.
Thank you so much.
Give it up for Chris Brown.
Yes, ang galing naman ni Chris Brown.
Galing.
Grabe. At eto na nga, alamin na natin ang hatol ng madla kay contestant number 3, Chris Brown, mula kina Ryan and Ian.
Thank you so much, Kiki! Tanongin natin, hatol ng Manila People, Daddy! Manila People! Kaloka or Kaloka Live! Wow! Dito naman tayo sa taas, Daddy!
Mix ulit sila, baby boy.
Dito. Yung mga dito. Yan,
Ito.
okay. Arvin, Remo, Digo.
Ito.
Yan. Hello. Ay, ano po kayo?
Meron tatlong bibi, oh.
Sabi niya, sa grupo nila, siya daw Chris Brown.
Chris Brown, tayo ka, please. Tayo ka.
Ano pangalan
Yan.
mo?
Tayo ka. Yan. Ano pangalan mo?
I'm MJ po.
MJ.
MJ.
Taga saan ka?
I'm from Northern Samar po.
Samar. Kilala mo naman siguro si Chris Brown, no?
Ah, yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Anong kaloka-like. So,
Bakit
tingin mo,
kaloka-like?
kaloka-like talaga siya.
Yung face niya, then yung bigote, then yung size ng ulo niya, like,
Size
very
ng
big size
ulo.
ng ulo niya, yun.
Medium. Anong size? Small, medium?
Extra small.
Okay. Tapos?
Then, gusto ko din, parang I love him because he's doing the least and love that for you.
Saan nanggagaling to?
He's doing the list.
Sa grupo mo, sino ikaw kaloka-like?
It's K. It's Kada with a K. From Drag Race Season 3 po.
May kaloka-like.
Baka may ano ka naman dyan, baka may talent ka tinatago, baka may
Ano ba talent mo?
Sample.
Sample! 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 Drag race?
Alarma!
Sige na!
Let's go!
Wala ka sample?
Wala po.
Wala ka sample?
Walking!
Oh.
Ano yun natin, Asbano?
Hey!
Yun, oh.
Hey!
Tuwa sa'yo yung mga kaibigan mo.
Mga kaibigan.
Oh. Okay, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat mga quiz. Ngayon naman pakinggan na natin ang komento ng nag-iisang Jurado, Rufa May Quinto.
Yes, good afternoon. Muntik na ako mag-nosebleed, kaka-English ha. At saka nagtataka ako, ano ba yan, foil? Ano yung nandito mo?
Ano po siya? Silver grills po.
Talagang pinalagay mo yan, yung ipin?
Yes po.
Hindi yan foil.
Hindi ba?
Oo, sana foil. Hindi, gusto ko lang kasi, di ba ginugel ko na nga yung meaning ng kaloka-like. Ngayon,
Rufa may
okay
kailangan
lang.
daw English kasi.
Sige.
Ano
The
yung
meaning of judge. Or jurado
judge,
in
okay.
Tagalog. Okay?
What's the
A
meaning of
group
judge?
of persons chosen to decide in the law of court. Yes. And they deliberately before presenting their decision to the court. Jurado, translated to English as jury.
Yun pala
ready.
yun.
Hoy, nag-research talaga ako. Oh.
Galing mo.
Kasi hindi nyo binigay yung password. ng Wi-Fi. Oh. Buti na lang,
Sorry.
nag-review ako.
Marami kasi nung gumagamit.
Yes, oo nga. At saka siyempre, teka lang, pwede ba mag-promote?
Oh,
Yes, pwede.
Mujige, kasi kanina may Korean. So, Mujige po sa October 9 in all SM Cinemas. Exclusive po yan. Starring Kim Jisoo, Ryrie, and Alexa Ilacad, Direk Randolph Longhas. Ayan. Yung nag-direct sa amin sa Last One Laughing tsaka sa Comedy Island. Yon. So, palabas na yun sa October 9.
Luck and congratulations.
Thank you.
Si Direk Randolph.
Yes, and I'd like to thank all the Madlang people for trending myself every day. Yes. And to the USA family and friends, fans, that's all. Pero you know what? You don't look like Chris Brown.
Really?
Sino ba kamukha niya?
I don't know.
You don't know? Not even a little bit?
No.
Hawig meron naman.
But,
Hawig.
meron. Pag nakaganon. Ayun,
Paano ba pag naka...
ganon. Hindi, tingnan mo yung picture, the picture.
Oh, kasi ganon yung
Tsaka
picture
yung
eh.
leather yan patent leather yata yung damit. But the outfit is for workout. Not for concert.
At least
Practice pa lang eh.
same color.
Yes.
Malapit na po.
Practice pa lang kasi ito.
How about the hair?
The hair is that to pay or what? No.
It's original.
It's
Yeah, it's
original.
original, yeah.
So how did you color? Dye? You dye yourself?
Yeah, one
Buhay pa siya, buhay pa.
one of my
dye.
hair dye, Bleach.
Bleach niya. Bleach mo?
Yeah, with the help of my homie.
With who's your homie?
Taga din po sa amin.
Yan.
Marunong ka pala
Tagalog. Pala mag-Tagalog. Ikaw talaga,
Konti.
Bong, pinapahirapan mo kami.
I'm so sorry.
Ayun. So, congratulations in advance. Yun lang. Meron pa ba dapat sabihin?
Back to you guys.
Back to you.
Maraming salamat, Jurado Rufa May Quinto. Mga Jurado, maaari nyo nang ibigay ang inyong hatol kay Ivan Charles Murphy, ang Chris Brown ng Manila.
Yes.